Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, my beautiful nail family. Madam Glam's elves have been busy. We are already on day 5 of the Advent Calendar series. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm still shook about yesterday. Like, the Cali mini lamp, are you kidding me? And my partner did help. So we have that blue film off, and I'll be showing you that mirror interface. It is so gorgeous. But without further ado, let's get into box number 5. Oh my gosh, first of all, this box is so darling. I can't get over, it looks like a full moon with gorgeous gold embossed on it. It's just stunning. And I started giggling the moment I opened this and I saw foil gel. I did a hallelujah. So 3 years ago, when I originally tried the Advent calendar, that bottle of Madam Glam foil gel is completely done. And I am obsessed with this stuff. The transfer is insane. And this is a limited edition product, y'all. You cannot get nail foil gel glue on their website. You can't. So this is one of the staples, the chef kiss when it comes to this box. Foil gel, and they're not all made equal. And this one is so strong. So I took out, this is actually some foil from the very first calendar. Foil never goes bad, y'all. So you just keep that in a safe place for a snowy day like today. And we get to try out this gorgeous foil gel glue. I didn't want to wait till tomorrow. I know they're definitely going to hook us up with some limited edition foils. But I just wanted to take one of their foils, which are premium, by the way. I can't get over how gorgeous they are. But with this foil gel glue, I like to do a very even coat, and I cure it twice. Now, it does not say that on the website or anything like that, but Mama taught me, like Mama does nails. It also sounded like I was saying, like, Mama raised me good. Mama taught me that when you cure it twice, it basically creates such a sticky layer that just with the heat of your hands, you get the best transfer. So I'm just showing off the Cali lamp so you can see Madam Glam's Rolls Royce of mini lamps. It's just so stinking precious. So I'm going to be using that to cure everything, and it cured amazing. There is, and I hate to say this, but originally I was very cautious when it came to mini lamps. I did get one from a company that, like the very first company I ever tried, and I was finding that the products were wrinkling, and I thought it was my fault. I thought, maybe I'm not applying this correctly, and I even made sure I wasn't putting too much product down, and it would wrinkle, and it would wrinkle. And it wasn't until I tried Madam Glam's original mini lamp, which was their the tiny white one, that it cured perfectly. And I was like, wow, it wasn't me, it was the lamp. So this lamp is insane. It definitely cures perfect. I did it for 2 full rounds of 60 seconds. So that was a full 2 minutes under the UV lamp. And then any foil of your choice, like butter. It just transfers. It is amazing. So I'm going to show you this this hollow silver in both matte and glossy, because we got the matte mafia and the glossy mafia, and we got to make them both happy. So we got to show them in both. But I can't get over the transfer on this. It is just so smooth. And I am ridiculously excited that they gave it in this calendar. I think it should be a staple. It should come in every single calendar, because it's just not a product that they have readily available. Last year, they gave the most darling candy cane red foil that had chunks of what looked like holographic pieces. So it almost looked like gems. It was absolutely stunning. The dimension on it was insane. And then they also gave this rose gold foil, which was like so beautiful. But 3 years ago, they did this. They did gold and silver, and they were both like, had like linear holographic. It's just, I can't get over like all of the years so far. They've just been stepping it up again and again and again. And this year so far, I have felt so special. I can't get over, like, they don't just throw anything in the box. They make sure it's carefully curated so that if this advent calendar was the only nail product you had in your house or where you traveled, you'd be perfect because you literally get individual mini limited edition polishes, base coat, top coat, mini lamp, all sorts of tools like application brushes, liners, dotting tools, foil gel glue. Like the list just keeps going on and on. Last year they gave pudding gels. Like it is insane. And they give such a variety, like nudes and glitters and Christmas and holiday shades, that you literally could just run off with that mini lamp, do your nails, and be completely happy. So already they've given such an amazing array of goodies, and I can't wait for tomorrow, day 6, to see what's the bliss inside the box. I was trying to figure out something that rhymes with 6, but I'm so very excited. This love project has been everything. Like, this means the world to be able to, like, it's like an annual Christmas party on this channel. To be able to spend a month long unboxing all the goodies is just heaven. I cannot wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Hopefully we'll have some foil to play with, but who knows? You'll have to tune in to see what day 6 of Advent brings us. I am sending you so much love and light. Wherever this video found you, I pray it found you so well. Ooh, mwah, sending so much love. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.